Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to secure your assets. Today, we're breaking down a full guide on how to transfer your XRP from Robinhood to the Arculus Wallet. This step-by-step process is straightforward and will help you take control of your digital coins. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store, download it, and create a new wallet. It's user-friendly and offers top-notch security features for your XRP. Once that's set up, open the app and generate your wallet address. Think of this as your crypto's home address. Next, log into your Robinhood account on your phone or computer. Navigate to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Robinhood makes this easy with its intuitive interface. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option next to your XRP balance. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you're selecting the correct asset, XRP specifically. Copy the wallet address from your Arculus app, paste it into the withdrawal form on Robinhood, and enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions are final, so verify everything to avoid any mishaps. Hit the Confirm button, and Robinhood will process your request. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, jump back to your Arculus Wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your XRP there. And that's it, you've successfully moved your XRP to a more secure wallet. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, keeping your assets off exchanges like Robinhood is a smart move. If you run into any issues, always check the official help sections or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.